I didn't know a single thing about sewing. When I started, I knew nothing. They taught me everything.
I have no sewing experience.
I did make a pillow and home ec, but no, that was it.
You do not need sewing experience to start at Fire-Dex because it is all hands-on training.
We actually prefer that people coming in, there's no sewing experience, because then we can teach you from the beginning to the end.
The people that taught me in my team were great. Everything that I know, they taught me.
My supervisor, he helped me build that confidence to be a good leader.
You will learn everything from how to thread a needle, how a machine works. Even if you sew at home on a sewing machine, it's completely different than sewing on a commercial machine, but all of that is taught.